by the end of 3 months, you should be at 3,000 a month in
All
profit.
right, guys, Mark Augustine here, and we have a familiar face and a guest on the channel here. But what this video about is if you are 30 to 50 years old, you're going to want to watch this. We want to work with you. We want to make sure that you are successful. But before we get into the video, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been drop shipping for over 12 years. I've sold over $20 million on all the different platforms. I've built DSGNE, which is the eBay dropshipping software. And I've been in the eBay dropshipping world for a very long time. And if you're not used to this community, we were talking earlier about it, and the eBay dropshipping world has been fragmented. So I hope that you'll join the community and stick with us to understand how you could make money online with eBay dropshipping. So yeah, sorry, that's my long introduction. Sammy, you want
Yeah.
to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yeah. So my name is Sammy. I've been dropshipping on eBay 8 to 9 years. I'm one of Mark's students, big follower, big fan, by the way.
Yeah,
I'm
thanks.
also one, I'm also one of the founders of Ecom Sniper, which is an automation tool from Amazon and eBay. And like always, just happy to be here, man.
And Sammy is important. Sammy's on here because what you guys are about to get is something directly from Ecom Sniper. Yes, Naim, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. So hey guys, this is Naim from Bangladesh, and I'm also a team member of Ecom Sniper, and also I do a dropship from Bangladesh. So yeah, I'm just 27. Yeah, they are Mark and Sammy, both of my mentors. I'm trying to learn from here. Yeah, I hope you guys find good things from here.
And I think it's interesting. And those of you guys who happen to be watching this, who are part of Ecom Sniper, who knows Ecom Sniper exists, Naim is very important and a key person in making sure that people are successful at Ecom Sniper. Naim is one of the team members. So you're getting
100%.
some insider information when we have him on the channel.
100%.
But yeah, so
So,
let's get into why we're here, Sammy. So we were talking earlier, and we were talking about the beginning of this whole eBay dropshipping thing, and one of the focuses is making sure that my goal usually when I first started was that to make whoever, if there's one person watching me, to make them money. So that is where this video came from. All you watching this is the beginning of this video, where the reason for us doing this video. So Sammy, what is the plan?
yeah, so just like you said, right, the purpose, we were talking about it, right? The purpose is making one person successful, right? Drop shipping on eBay. And if we're gonna do that, right, we need somebody fresh, right? Someone who doesn't have any, like, who's not successful today, right? If we can take somebody, like we made videos on YouTube already where we started a brand new eBay account from zero, and then we made like 2,000 a month on it, right?
Right. We've done
But
that
that
multiple times. And it
mul
seems monotonous at this point.
right, but it's also not the same as taking a beginner, because me and you, I've been doing it for 8 years, you've been doing it for 11, 12 years, right? That's not the same thing as like a complete beginner going from like that number to like 3K a month, right?
Correct, correct.
We've seen so many people like do this on Ecom Sniper, like they've joined us and then they've gotten to that. But what really needs to be done to serve like the greater community would be take somebody fresh, and that freshness will, like, let's train them, let's sponsor them, let's show people what really can happen and document it all, so that way that if anybody else is in a similar situation, they can follow the journey to get them in.
Right, right. Yeah. And this is what, so guys, if you're watching this is what we talked about earlier. So and Naim, what do you think about as someone in Ecom Sniper? What do you think about the idea?
Yeah, it's actually a great idea because this is really yeah, this is a proven way, and as we're working with a ton of guys, they're making money. So here's your chance that you can grab this option.
Mhm.
Right. So, guys, what we're looking for, so the purpose of this video is to reach out to the community. We're looking for one person. We're
Right,
actively at Ecom Sniper is willing to sponsor that person, both
right,
myself and Ecom Sniper.
right. So just to be clear, let's talk about like who we're looking for, right?
Right.
Just to kind of make it clear, yeah. So the guy that you should be if you're watching this
Or
video,
girl.
or girl, right?
Right.
you should be around 30 to 50 years old, right?
Right, correct.
You shouldn't be like a current ecom sniper member. And I know somebody, some of you guys might need some help, but we have the weekly meetings for you, right? The reason we want somebody brand new and fresh is so that way we can make content to help fill in the gaps of everybody else in in their shoes. Do you get what I mean? So it should be somebody who's fresh. Maybe they haven't done eBay dropshipping before, right? No ex dropshippers because you guys are already gonna be successful if you have one or two tweaks, right? We're looking for somebody who needs like the whole training ground up and they're willing to like follow the blueprint, right? And furthermore, you should be in a place of pain, right? And the reason I say that is because, like great things happen. I think Mark, you've seen this as well. Like the truly successful people are the ones who have a pain in their life that they're solving this for, right? If I have never seen somebody that has made it really big out of greed so far.
Right, right.
I've seen it. I've seen success out of pain. So,
Right.
if you have a pain that you're like that you're trying to solve, to me, you're beautiful.
Right.
Right? You're gonna make it. So if you meet those conditions, reach out to Mark and like what's gonna happen is we're gonna sponsor
How
you.
should they reach out? Should they comment on the video? Should they send an email? What is it? The first step.
Okay.
Let's give an actual connection. Maybe we'll put an email on the video where you guys can reach out to.
Let's do that. So send an email, right? Tell us your pain, right? Tell us that you met the qualifications. You should be in the US as well, right? And if you
You're
met
based in the US,
you're based in the US, send
30
us
to
an
50.
30 to 50, right? Have some type of pain while you're doing it. You got to be serious, right? Right? Don't apply to this and like just waste everybody's time. Like it'll work out for you. We've done this so many times, right? If Mark and I help you, you're gonna make it, right? Give it like 3 months, follow the exact steps, and then you're gonna be okay. So send us an email, right? Tell us why you're a good fit, and then if you're the right person, we'll get back to you. But either way, we'll get back to everybody.
And what do they get for this? What exactly do they get in this 3 months?
You get
And
to
I'm just
build a
being devil's
business.
advocate. I'm just explaining exactly to you guys who are watching this video what to expect.
By the end of 3 months, you should be at 3,000 a month in profit, right? Take home gross profit. We'll say gross for now. If not, you'll be on the way there.
Right. No, but what, so do they get access to Ecom Sniper? They get training on a daily basis. This is what I'm trying to define.
So you'll get access to Ecom Sniper for free for the next 3 months, right? So that way we can share your journey and take you from zero to something. So we can show the world, yeah?
And the commitment is a daily meeting for 15 minutes where myself, I answer all your questions and we give you a blueprint for that 3 month period and we document it.
Exactly. And by the end of 3 months, like you're gonna make it,
You'll be
right?
at $3,000 a month profit. Once you get to $3,000 a month, then you can duplicate the process and get to wherever you want to get to. But the first step is the first 3 months where we get you to 3,000 US dollars a month in profit.
Right. So very important. This isn't gonna be something that's streamlined. You're still gonna have to put in the work every day, right?
Right, and this isn't something that is going to last forever. We're looking for one person. We're not looking for 10 people. We're not looking for 20 people. We're not going to be doing this all the time. We're looking for one person where Ecom Cypher sponsors, and I put in my time on a daily basis to walk you through that process.
Exactly. Exactly. That's the
This is
hardest part of
our
this whole thing.
commitment to you. So we both make a commitment. This is not a joke. This is not clickbait. This is us committing time, resources, and money to one of you guys that fit the criteria to get you to the point where you're making 3,000 US dollars real money profit
Gross
on a
profit.
monthly basis, gross profit on a monthly basis.
Yeah, I
And
say
Ecom
gross because
Cypher is
everyone's net is kind of different.
Right.
Yeah, you
After
betcha.
taxes and expenses and so on.
Right, you get an employee later on or something,
Right.
like things, but gross profit's a good indicator to me. But all right, so that's that. Is there anything else you want to share for this video?
No, that's it, guys. So this video is specifically for that. So like, subscribe. We'll put the email on the screen. You guys email us. We'll get back to you as soon as possible because this is a 90-day challenge to $3,000 that we are working with one person and no one else. So we look forward to you guys' responses. The three of us will go through what you say and we'll choose that person within the next week and we could get the process going.
Right, a new series. But all right, so thanks for having me, dude.
All right, thank you guys.
Thank
All
you.
right.